sensor readings confirm the lack of nutrients here.
And the thermal imaging shows extreme temperatures below the surface.
Slow down, we're almost seated. Watch the guides. The pressure seems consistent across the beds.
Yes, the coverage looks excellent. We are getting good depth here.
Seems highly viable.
Agreed, the color and size are perfect.
Rate here is remarkable given the climate.
Yes, the irrigation is working perfectly. Look at the uniformity.
See how far the water is penetrating?
Yeah. Right to the root zone, exactly what we want.
This little guy. That's the sugar beet pest. It's already starting to cause significant damage to the leaf structure.
Deep that green goes, the treatment worked.
Yes, and the irrigation is flawless, not a drop wasted.
Leaf senescence looks promising.
And the Brix reading is high enough. I think we're ready for harvest next week.
Check the alignment on the defoliator. It looks off center. Yeah, I see it. Give me a minute to reset the coordinates.
Watch the moisture levels on the console. They fluctuate quickly out here.
Understood. The harvester is performing well so far.
The Sahara presents unique challenges, but the operators ensure maximum efficiency in separating the leaves from the mature roots.
This one's cracked right here. Yep, throw it on the pile. Bring it down slowly. Watch the edge there. Okay, easy now. We need to center it.
The pressure on this final spray bar ensures all residue is removed before the cutter.
Yes, the consistency looks excellent.
The alignment on the rotary blade seems slightly off on the left side.
I see it. Let me adjust the guardrail spacing.
We need to increase the speed slightly. Okay, adjusting the dial now. The temperature looks stable. We are maintaining the target temperature here.
Good, the drainage appears optimal before the drying phase.
Moisture levels are dropping exactly as projected on the tablet.
Yes, the airflow adjustment worked perfectly.
Make sure the vacuum pressure is set to 25 psi on this batch.
Got it, thanks.
Look at the throughput on batch 7. It exceeds projections.
And the weight consistency is well within tolerance.
Meticulously arranged by hand, the dried sugar beet packages are secured in cartons, ensuring perfect condition for their journey through the logistics chain. Welcome to the hub of our operations, where we manage the extensive dried sugar beet inventory using state-of-the-art logistics. The dried sugar beet strips are carefully arranged, optimizing space for distribution across European and American markets.
That will be $12.50. Did you find everything okay?
The key here is the texture. They are perfectly dry, crisp, and uniform, exactly what we want before rehydration.